With the fulfillment of the responsibilities of a news collector, we have acquired two invaluable qualities like Molloy Babu. One is the inclusion of oneself in social work, and the other is the propagation of innovative ideas within oneself. These two thoughts have facilitated our recognition of ourselves. These thoughts and beliefs have been applied to my request to the people living in 8 districts of the state's 60 legislative assemblies. Molloy Babu is a person who has risen from a family like yours. He can empathize with the pain of the poor, tribal, and advanced community. Unemployment burns, educational torture, and idealistic thoughts trouble the youth society, and he is always thinking about something or the other. And what he is thinking, he has been working tirelessly to establish it. In West Bengal, some educational institutions have sprung up in some advanced communities' neighborhoods. He demonstrated transparency in English education by spending his own money on tribal boys. The women and men of the tribal home earn their living in that institution. It is a bond of the heart for the poor. In Bolpur Shantiniketan, he has established medical colleges and hospitals. There, he has reduced the cost of treatment from 10 to 65% of the value of the drugs. He has provided facilities for travel and medical treatment for the sick who come to PT. Are these falls within the commercial perspective? The people of Tripura can get it because the person is one, the institution is one, the idea is one. You are lucky to have such an initiative person in your state. When many multinational organizations are trying to lay off employees based on commercial thinking, they saved their employees. Do these fall under the commercial perspective? You should feel pity for those who do not know or know very little and make unfavorable comments. This present time of Tripura will give opportunities to the unemployed youth of the educated community. The entire northeastern zone will open a new direction to the students of Northeast who are interested in reading surgery at this medical college. In addition to providing study opportunities from the state's own state, Tripura students will open a new direction. Tripura state's help is that when the grand initiative started, its expansion will increase more in the future. An upheaval in the educational field is taking place in the entire northeastern region. When a medical college and hospital arose, its nearby markets also flourished commercially. In the same way, the commercial prosperity of the area around Bolpur Shantiniketan Medical College has increased. Many unemployed young men and women have found employment opportunities. A few thousand educated young men and women are employed in their established institutions. Thousands of people in that vast field are blessing them for their great social work. He has been honored with a doctorate from a university in Delhi